What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. Where are you from, Mohammed?
Bangladesh.
Oh wow, nice. It's quite a popular station here. You can see here. You can use a Noel card or you can buy the ticket at the inside the station there. Well, I'm just going to walk through here and go to the station. I mean day to day, which is just down there. And then once I get there, probably wrap up the video from there. You know, do you live around here? Please do let me know, because I want to know what it feels like to be around here. Because I can see a lot of people here, like business people, live around here. And we have a friend here who actually do shipping. I don't know if you do shipping, please do let me know, because you know, a lot of people ask me, what do people do here? But I have no idea what people do here. Like you see a lot of people behind me there. If you're a family or you're a family member who do business around here, what kind of business you guys do? Please, I really want to know, because so they were selling a camera, but it was for 2,150, which is quite expensive, I think, because I'll probably buy that from the UK with a warranty. I thought maybe I'll get it for half price, but it's not so. I'm going to Day Today. It's like a department store here in the UK. They sell non-alcoholic beer and what else, like t-shirts, groceries, almost everything. Yeah, so if you're here at the hotel and you want to shop, for the room, like groceries, feel free to go to Day Today and then shop. It's just a normal department store like you see in the UK or other parts of the world. Well, the station I'm just walking to is one of the busiest stations. The hotel is literally outside the train station. It's called Baniyas Square train station. Well, let me show you guys, because I see a lot of African people also live down here. There's a Ghanaian restaurant, which is one of the most reasons why I come to this part, because I get my hair cut and I also get to eat Ghanaian food as well. Well guys, what do you think of Baniyas Square? Please do. Hello, how are you, my friend? What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. Where are you from, Mohammed?
Bangladesh.
Oh wow, nice. Well, you see, people are so nice. People are so nice in Baniyas Square, you know. See, he just stopped. He's from Bangladesh, and that's how nice people are here. Well, I'm almost at the shop. The shop is called Day Today. So guys, yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy watching my videos, consider liking the video and also share with your loved ones. Well, they have a lot of Pringles. I'm looking for the price. Okay, it is the price, $6.99. Different Pringles in Dubai. Wow, look at this one. It's going for $2.99. A lot of Pringles here. This one is going for $3.50. They have a digestives here, which is going for $8.99. Wow. I'm also looking for like a beard trimmer. I can see it's quite cheap down here. This one is going for 45 dirham. This one is going for 129. I don't know which one is a good one. If you know any good one, guys, please do let me know in the comment section. Look at these ones. Maybe this one is actually good. They use it a lot of me on the barber shops, but I don't know. This one is going for 14 dirhams. Maybe it's something I need to invest in as well. They have here, there's a lot. This one is going for $8.99. Wow. Well, guys, I literally just finished shopping in Day Today. I bought some non-alcoholic beer and Coca-Cola Zero, and also some Pringles. Everything cost me about 42 dirham. It's not bad, right? Yeah, 42 dirham, that's about 10 quid. Yeah, not bad at all. Well, I'm going back to the room now. We're planning to go to like a shopping mall today. Yeah. 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 Thank you.
What is this?
Camera. I'm doing a YouTube video. Yeah. YouTube. Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
The name of the shop. What's your name of the shop?
Salkia.
Salkia. It's in Deira, Baniyas Square. How much? So I just bought chicken muffin and also chicken and egg muffin and egg rolls. Is that right? Chicken rolls and egg muffin. It cost me 5 dirham. Literally about £1 for a nice piece of meal. That's amazing. That's how cheap this place is, you know. Yeah, so guys, if you're here and you're coming to Dubai but you want somewhere affordable where food is ridiculously cheap, well, Baniyas Square or Deira is actually amazing. Well, let me get to the room. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Consider liking the video and share with your loved ones. So the name of actually the shop I'm sitting is called Amo Wakaba. It's like a cafeteria. They do almost everything. And I ordered for coconut and also, how do you call it? Sugarcane juice. So hopefully it will be very, very nice and tasty. There's a lot of Africans here. Shipping and everything is going on here. I believe all the goods going to Africa, I believe. Amazing. This place is like a business hub, which is really, really nice. Yeah, anything that you want, you can get it here, like a wholesale of tires, car spare parts, you know. Almost everything you want, you find it in this Deira. Is it Deira? I believe Old Town Dubai. You can find it here. There's a lot of tourists as well. You know, people shopping in Sephora and all that. The hotel we stay in is called Hyatt Place. It's in the center of Deira. The train station is literally like 2 minutes or minutes away. Amazing place. Like you can get like a drinks here for nano pennies. Like the coconut and the sugarcane juice I'm getting here will actually cost me like probably 3 quid. You know, amazing place. Yeah, if you live here or if you've been to this part of Dubai before, please do let me know in the comment section. Alright, so guys, I'm in Deira. This shop is literally outside Hyatt Place. They have amazing lens here, so I just thought, you know, I check what their lens prices look like. They have lighting, they have a lot of gadgets that for content creation. Look at the Sony, that's my Sony there. They have GoPro, they have gimbals, they have a DJI, a mini right there, and they also have a light for your content. Wow, this is a nice shop.